Alright, so we are only going to be able to do 2 minutes this inning. Because this is, and then we're only doing 3 innings this game. Then we have the Ding Dongs versus the Bat Breakers. Ball. Foul ball. Ball. 2 balls, 1 strike. He's out. Out. 1 out. Could this be a quick inning, or will the Ball Busters take control of that? Ball. We got time. Play. Ball. Strike. I don't know why I said ball. Ball. 3 balls, 1 strike. Okay. 1. Grab 1 more ball. Or 2, I guess. Four balls, 1 strike. Strike 2. Ball 5. Take your base.